Welcome to 13 Lloyd Bird Crescent in Springfield Lakes. Beautiful presented 4-bedroom home. Comes complete with solar panels, 2 bathrooms, double garage on a 400 square meter block. Okay, as we enter the property, you've got the master bedroom to the front of the house. It also comes complete with its own ensuite and a walk-in robe. To the left is the garage, double garage, and then you've got the separate lounge room area with air conditioning. And there's excellent open plan kitchen, dining and living. So these beautiful high vaulted ceilings as well. So the kitchen is well equipped, good bench space, dishwasher, wall oven, electric cooking. Also comes with air conditioning, good dining room and living space as well. And we'll just head down to the bedrooms. So the bedrooms at the back of the house. All bedrooms come with a fan, and this one's got air conditioning and a robe. Bedroom here is in the central house. It doesn't have air conditioning, just has the ceiling fan, but it does come with double robes. Good quality carpet as well throughout. And the 4th bedroom's towards the back of the house. Enzo's room, air conditioning, ceiling fans. Security screens and blinds all stay with the house as well. Okay, to the center of those bedrooms, you've got the family bathroom. Separate shower, bath, vanity, separate toilet through here, and the laundry area with storage. Okay, head back out through to the living area. I see beautifully open planned, and those ceilings are amazing. Through to covered patio area. Now it's got some pulled down blinds as well, if you wanted to make it a little bit more private. Immaculately kept lawns and garden. It's a dual level garden space. So a nice brick retaining wall. Here, looks back up to the house. The water tank there is just purely for the garden. Nice and private, no one overlooking you. Some hedging there. Got a good sized garden shed there. And the pathways go all the way around the house. I'll just show you through this side of the house. Here is your drying area. Okay, that's the property at 13 Lloyd Bird Crescent. We look forward to catching up with you.